Here's everything you need to know for your forecast today and, of course, on Thanksgiving. So let's get right into it. Your forecast for Thanksgiving, we're looking at the 60s, mostly sunny. But one thing I'm watching is you can see it's average temperatures, but it really is the fog tomorrow morning. So maybe if you're waking up extra early to get to grandma's house for Thanksgiving, I want you to bring your A game, especially from 7 to 9, because we could see some fog, especially in places like Modesto, Stockton, Elk Grove, and Sacramento. Of course, wake up with me. I'll make sure to update you throughout the day. One thing we're also watching is wind, especially if you're headed down south for the holiday. From LA all the way down to San Diego, we have a red flag warning. And one thing when I was looking at the data is that we could actually see wind gusts of 40 to 60 miles per hour. And just to give you some context with that, slight damage occurs to buildings when we hit 47 to 54 miles per hour. Since a lot of you are traveling, I wanted to make sure that you knew that little nugget so that you are prepared, because you never know what's going to happen on the roadways. You're going to see that extra traffic as well. Now, hour by hour today, as maybe you plan for your house, make sure everything is looking good for your guests. You can see at 3 o'clock, we're looking at 62. By 5, we're looking at 57. And those winds, you can see, will calm down. But today, it's going to be breezy. Today, it's going to feel a little colder than what it actually is because of the breeze. So taking a look, you can see around the region, Placerville 61, Jackson 60, even Angels Camp, we're looking at 62. So right there at the average. Tahoe, you can see we're looking at Friday 56, 58 on Saturday. So we're going to stay in the mid 50s to lower 60s. Digging a little bit deeper into Patterson, 60, Modesto 63, even Manteca today we're looking at 60. So the trend is a lot like yesterday. As we plan your day tomorrow, same story. Sacramento 61, Lincoln 67, Roseville 64, and even Folsom we're looking at 62. So we're going to stay with those average temperatures. However, it is the wind today that's going to make it breezier and colder than what it really is. So let's take a look at the big picture. Valley 62, the Hills 65, and even Sierra 44. As we take a look at your 10-day forecast, again, Thanksgiving forecast 62. It's actually not bad, right there on average. Now, Black Friday, if you're getting up early, keep in mind that could be breezy and foggy. We're looking at 63. This weekend, we're in the 60s, and the same story as we look at the full 10-day forecast. All right, let's talk about gas prices as we plan your day. Sacramento, $4.68, Stockton, $4.60, and Modesto, $4.57. So when we look at your gas prices, we're actually up $1.58 compared to last year. So I always say make sure to go to ABC 10 app to find the best price. I put that in air quotes because I know it's still going to be expensive. Of course, we're going to help you save a little time, stress, and frustration in both the weather and traffic centers. And of course, have a wonderful Thanksgiving.